third man on Cycle YouTube channel. These are my friends. Then he's my another friend. He's trying to hide from the camera. This is him, Abdul. Murtaza. Decided to come today and experience beach riding, which is only possible at the Silver Beach, Juhu. So we are going to show you guys about how much fun it is to ride at the beach, even if you don't get an opportunity to ride on the beach, but at least come to the beach on your cycle, experience the monsoon, have fun with it. I rode this bike for the first time. We done a Muscat. Then this is a picture of that boy. Take the bike out. You want to see the video? Click up here. So, how much fun was it to ride on the beach? I mean, was it hard? Not hard, but the wheels, they do go in the sand, so it's a bit tough. Like, you have to be careful for no pressure, But overall, it was fun. The experience was different. It was fun. How was it?
A good ride. Actually, this bike made little riding on the beach a little more fun. It's a good path. You get around 9 kilometers to ride in the whole, around the whole beach if you can ride. And in the monsoon, it's wet, so it's a bit so it's great. Good activity.
Thank you guys. Thank you both of you guys too that you came to take cycle with me and we made this video. Have fun watching it. Go take a look.